Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Barlean subscription. Okay, Barlean, as you know, Barlean is a very popular supplement platform where you can buy any kind of supplements like fish oils and all. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about like how you can cancel, you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account by which you have taken any subscription. Okay, and once you logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon, and once you tap on your profile icon, it will pop up your account details, and in the very bottom side you will see there is a button manage subscription. Okay, and the manage subscription button is available at the very bottom side. You can select manage subscription button and it will pop up a new window, this kind of window. It will, if you have any subscription, it will redirect on your subscription. If you don't have any subscription, in my case I don't have any subscription, now you will see this kind of error like there is no subscription. So in this case, if you don't have any subscription and still your account is deducting from your money, so you can contact your card provider and you can tell them please cancel your all the upcoming or all the recurring payments on your card. Okay, so by using this way you can cancel your subscription very easily. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. If you are facing any issue, you can also contact with their customer support team by dialing their phone number. Their phone number is also available on their official website. They will help on phone also. Okay, but if you are going to call their customer support, please ask a proof of cancellation in the written, you can like proof. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, please make a comment. Bye bye, thank you.